Today's video is very important. This is on the solution of ISS 2026 के पेपर का है ये. Okay, so I am solving from paper 1 directly. So let's get started. So here we have a question with respect to x, 1, y. Follow the geometric distribution. Negative binomial distribution is also there. So it's not about the probability mass function. It's about the expectation of the standard distribution. Okay. So the theory here is that distribution is the Bernoulli, then the mean is P. If it's a binomial, then mean is NP. If it is Poisson, mean is this. Lambda geometric, then it is 1 by P. And negative binomial, then it is R by P. This is the thing. Okay. So now in most competitive examinations, what happens, that counts the number of trials until the first success. So that is a 1 by P. So the number of failures before the first success, it is 1 minus P by P. So we can always check. Okay, sorry. So what is the expectation of x? In geometric distribution, expectation 1 by 2, 1 by mean, so only 2. So expectation of y is also the same. So expectation of xy will be 4. So the theory is expectation of x plus y minus z is expectation of x, expectation of y minus expectation of z. So this property holds even if the variables are dependent. So many students incorrectly think that this is required, but this is not. Now expectation of z. So here what you can do is this. So z equal to our negative binomial. So expectation of z is equal to 3 by t. This is done. So using the condition expectation of x plus y minus z equal to 3. So 4 minus 3 by b equal to 0. So p equal to 3/4. So expectation of x plus y is equal to ex plus ey. So that's the variance directly. So we can say that mean of sum equal to sum of mean. Okay, so p equal to 3/4 is the answer.